But also open. So, might as well throw the cardboard boxes away.
It's for me and you. Open this one.
From Rudolph, it said.
Rudolph.
Yeah, I already keep, so that's why I knew.
It's all layered.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it Monster High?
Yeah, it's a Monster High.
The puzzle, I knew it.
You get the
Benji. What the heck? I don't know.
Benji movies, huh?
Benji.
Looks like a Christmas Benji movie.
To Tyler from Bella.
You guys wrap gifts for your friends.
See what's over on the other side, 'cause what's that? Oh, from Bella. Oh, from Bella to Sophie. That's sweet.
And they could go.
She gave me an old Barbie doll.
Yay!
I love it.
What are you doing?
Old Barbie doll, old fashioned. You gotta. It's from. Let me see it.
It's on.
It's a 3D one. No way.
That's why it feels good.
Awesome. I knew that we got a puzzle. I knew it.
Stockings.
And that first Princess that
Stockings.
spin, I knew it was.
You guys need to open your stuff.
Bring it over here so we can see.
So
To Mom.
heavy. This is
Oh, right at the camera.
back off. Back off. This is mine.
Thank you. You're nice.
To Grandma from Bella. Grandma.
Ooh, look at candy cane full of
From
M&Ms.
Bella.
From Bella.
To you.
Oh, that. Oh. Don't throw it.
And Mom and I did that. I made the start.
That is good. That is really
To
good.
Mom from Bella. Oh, Bella, thank you.
You got a kitty.
Oh. That is so cute. Lots of times looking for it on the bookcase.
Bella, you like your stocking stuff? Sophie, get your stocking stuff.
This is one that's so heavy.
Oh, let's try and pick up stuff.
Oh, Bella knows what I like.
Today from Carol, Lori, Sophie, and Bella. Let's see.
I got a dolphin.
To Grandma from
Sophie,
Sophie and Bella.
Look what I got.
We want to
Jackie,
save these.
Laura, you got stuff. You got your favorite doll.
Thank you.
Bella, you're so
To
cute.
Grandma and Marshall.
I know what this
Carol,
is.
Lori, me, and Bella.
Mom.
Something very. 2 times from Carol and Lori.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, we got a lot of things.
I already know what's in that one. It's something called.
What is it?